Hello there, in this video I'm going to show you how to create one of these brush streak letter artworks. First of all, we need some brush streaks. We can get them in this site, it's wildpics.design, and then we navigate to the brush and select it and just press free download. After that we download the brush streaks, open them up and check them out. As you can see, they are really high quality and very detailed. Then we open up Photoshop, we create the artboard and we resize the artboard to the size we need to. And today we are going to import all the brush streaks we're going to use. In this case we are going to use 4 of them. Next we want to select a background so it's easier for us to create the art piece. And for this instance I'm going to be using Andeka, the font. It's also linked in the description. Next up we want to decrease the opacity of the brush streaks so we can see through them. Now we are creating the brush streaks and wrap them around the letters so that they suit them. Let's continue. Now after we formed up the brush streaks into the letter we want to add more depth. The way we add depth is to create another layer and place it like a clipping mask over the layer which we want to color on. So in this case we place it on the top of the layer we want the shadow to put in and just paint some dark blacks with a brush which is 0 hard. And after that we just continue doing this. Now we have to add some light so that the brush streak, so that the artwork gets a little bit shinier. After that we add the background, and when the background is added we complete the artwork with a light shadow, placing it on the bottom of the piece. And now I believe it's done. If you have any questions, just write them down in the comments and we'll try to answer them as good as possible. Thanks, see you next time.